everyone, it's Kim here again to show you how to make your home healthy and clean. Today we're going to tackle nasty, stinky pet urine. Step 1, identify where that smell is coming from. Step 2, accept the fact that pet urine is almost impossible to get out and either learn to live with the horrible smell or call your local Chem-Dry.
All right, I know exactly where the spots are.
Ugh, I took a nap on that spot last night.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that anymore.
So it won't smell anymore after this, right?
Other carpet cleaners just mask the smell, but our process actually explodes the urine crystals, eliminating 99.9% of all pet urine odor.
Byron, you know I don't do math.
And we're done.
So do I need to worry about my pet around the carpet?
Not at all. Our cleaning solutions are non-toxic, so they're safe for pets, kids, the whole family.
Boom! Done! You can now get rid of stinky pet urine and save your carpets with a little help from Chem-Dry. Peace.